Hello, lovies. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina. And for those of you who came back to see me again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Today, we are going to make one of the easiest ponchos that you can use any kind of fabric with, and you can embellish it any way you want and make it as fancy as you want or as plain as you want. I'm told this is the easiest poncho in the world to make, even though the first time I made it, I screwed it up. I started with this beautiful piece of flannel that I got from Hobby Lobby. And what we're going to do, throw it down on a big space, and we're going to cut two pieces 18 by 36. There you go. You're halfway done. I created this little paper cutout of the same pieces that I have, but of course they're tiny, to show you rather than to explain to you how we put this together. So you're going to take the short end of one piece and butt up against the longer end of the other piece, and you're going to take right sides together and you're going to sew them together. Now take your long piece and fold it over, and you're going to sew it to the other end. Sew right sides together at this end now. Now take the other long end and fold it over and sew it to the other end, so you have a V like this. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. Okay, now just turn it right sides out and you have your poncho. You can do this entire poncho with Fabri-Tac glue if you want, if you do not want to sew. So once you turn it right side out, you're going to hem the entire thing, give it a little seam allowance all the way around, and do the neck, the V up on top, the neck, give that a little hem. Then after that, you can embellish this any way you want. I bought this gorgeous lace and I put that on, and I used Fabri-Tac glue. I didn't even sew it on. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of these easy peasy videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Wait till you see the final results. This was a birthday gift to one of my dear friends, and I put this beautiful crystal button on the top, and here are the final results. I am in love with this poncho. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of any of us wearing it because I got it done just in time for her birthday lunch, and I gave it to her before I got to videotape anybody wearing it. But hopefully I'll have a picture in the future. She's wearing it Saturday night, she told me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.